a drug that can regrow human teeth has been developed by Japanese scientists. The new antibody drug is designed to target proteins that inhibit tooth growth. This innovative treatment could serve as a substitute for invasive implants or dentures. The company behind the drug, Torrigem Biopharma, intends to begin human clinical trials by July 2024, with a vision to market the drug by 2030 if trials prove successful. The drug operates by suppressing a gene known as USOG1, which prevents the development of tooth buds into teeth. Earlier animal studies, notably on ferrets, demonstrated promising results with the drug inducing new teeth growth. In 2025, trials are planned for children aged 2 to 6 with anodontia, a genetic condition preventing permanent teeth development, and also for adults who have lost teeth due to cavities. Dr. Katsu Takahashi envisions this tooth regrowth medicine as a third alternative to dentures and implants. So do you need a full set of teeth?